If you're looking to slice meats, cheeses, or vegetables with precision, and without spending hours in the kitchen, then an electric meat slicer is one of the most useful tools you can add to your home. Whether you want deli-style cuts, perfect uniform slices for meal prep, or simply a faster and cleaner way to work, choosing the right slicer makes all the difference. In the third, I tested the OSTBA Meat Slicer Electric, and right away, it felt like a slicer designed for anyone who wants the comfort of deli-quality slicing at home, because the machine offers a surprising level of precision, thanks to its adjustable thickness control, that lets you go from paper-thin cuts for charcuterie boards to thicker slices for sandwiches or roast preparations. And while using it on different foods like cheese, turkey breast, vegetables, and partially frozen beef, I noticed the 7.5-inch stainless steel serrated blade handled most tasks smoothly, without tearing or crushing the food, which gave me slices that looked much more professional than what I could get with a knife. And something I genuinely appreciated was how easily everything came apart, since the blade, food carriage, pusher, and slide rod extension are removable, which made cleaning extremely simple, especially compared to many other slicers that are a nightmare to wash. And I also like the built-in safety with the child lock system that requires pressing the safety lock and the power button at the same time, which is perfect if you have kids around or just want extra reassurance. Plus, the suction cup feet did a good job keeping the slicer stable on the countertop, even when I had to push harder on firmer cuts of meat. Although while testing it more intensely, I noticed a few drawbacks, such as the thickness adjustment knob that sometimes shifts slightly under pressure, which can make it tricky to get consistently ultra-thin slices unless you take your time. And the overall construction with several plastic parts gives a sense of lightness that doesn't inspire the same level of confidence as heavier metal slicers. So I wouldn't recommend using it for prolonged heavy-duty work, because the motor, even though efficient for home use, doesn't seem built for long continuous sessions, or especially dense meats, which can cause it to struggle a bit. But despite these limitations, it still delivered good value, because it made slicing faster, cleaner, and a lot more uniform, which saved me money on deli products and gave me better control over my ingredients. And in conclusion, after thoroughly testing it as if it were my own, I can say the OSTBA Meat Slicer Electric is a solid and affordable choice for home cooks who want an easy-to-clean, simple-to-use, and surprisingly precise slicer, offering reliable performance for everyday use, even if it is not meant for very intensive or professional slicing sessions. Secondly, when I tested the Tocas meat slicer, I immediately noticed that its compact footprint hides a surprisingly capable motor, because even with its 200-watt rating, it delivers enough cutting power to slice through cooked meat, cheese, and bread without forcing the blade. And what I appreciated the most is the upgraded motor that promises a longer service life, since it runs smoother and doesn't heat up quickly, which is a reassuring feeling during longer slicing sessions. The safety lock system requires pressing the safety button and power button at the same time to start, which sounds like a small detail, but genuinely avoids accidental activation when handling the machine, especially if you have kids around. The adjustable thickness control is precise, allowing ultra-thin cuts up to about 3/4-inch thickness, and during my tests, I could switch from deli-style ham slices to thick-cut roast beef without the machine slowing down. The dual-blade system is a real advantage, because the serrated blade handled hard items like salami and crusty bread, while the smooth blade worked better for cheese and turkey breast, reducing tearing and giving cleaner edges. Cleaning the slicer was another pleasant surprise, because everything from the food carriage to the slide rod extension and blade guard is removable, and wiping the metal cover with a cloth was enough to bring back a clean finish. Now, regarding drawbacks, the thickness adjustment knob is precise but not perfect, since on a few occasions the setting shifted slightly during prolonged slicing, and I had to readjust it. And another thing to keep in mind is that while the suction cup feet grip well on smooth surfaces, on textured countertops, it tends to move a little. As for the build quality, Some parts feel sturdy, while others feel lighter, especially the plastic components. So I wouldn't consider it the most durable machine for heavy-duty slicing. And during frozen meat tests, it managed well, but not as smoothly as higher-powered slicers. In conclusion, after using the Tocas meat slicer myself, I find it to be an excellent value for home use, with very solid slicing performance, easy cleaning, reliable safety features, and versatile dual blades. But you should be aware of the slightly inconsistent stability on some surfaces, and the lighter construction if you plan to slice large quantities regularly, making it a very good choice for everyday family needs, rather than professional-level demands. And to finish, first of all, after testing the Techwood electric deli food slicer, I quickly felt that it strikes a nice balance between power, precision, and ease of use, because the 9-inch stainless steel blade cuts smoothly through deli meats, ham, turkey breast, cheese, bread, and even firmer vegetables without forcing anything. The adjustable thickness dial works well overall, and allowed me to go from ultra-thin slices for sandwiches to thicker cuts for cooking, and the sturdy suction rubber feet kept the slicer stable, so I never felt like it was slipping or vibrating out of control. I also appreciated how compact the machine is, since it fits easily on a countertop or inside a cabinet, which makes it practical for everyday home use, or even for taking with you in an RV or holiday home. Cleaning is one of its strong points too, because the removable blade, hidden track design, and detachable carriage make it simple to wipe everything down without food residue getting trapped in annoying spots. Of course, it does have a few drawbacks. The 200-watt motor is decent, but you can tell it reaches its limit on very dense or frozen cuts, and while the thickness adjustment works, the dial is not always perfectly precise on softer foods, which sometimes leads to small variations in slice thickness. The build quality also gets mixed reactions, because even though some parts feel solid, certain plastic elements don't inspire total confidence when you push the slicer a bit harder, and a slight wobble can happen if the machine isn't placed perfectly flat on the counter. My conclusion, after using it, is that the Techwood slicer offers very good value for the money, because it delivers clean cuts, stays easy to handle, and doesn't complicate the cleaning process. It's ideal for regular home slicing of meats, cheese, bread, and snacks, and while it isn't built like a professional-grade machine, it performs reliably and comfortably for everyday kitchen use. And that wraps up this top 3. And whether you're looking for ultra-thin deli slices, thick cuts for cooking, or simply a way to save money and time in your kitchen, each of these slicers brings its own strengths, so take the one that fits your needs and your budget. Enjoy easier meal prep at home. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.